Why do we need another electric bike?
Because for fun.
Okay. It's an
fun,
expensive fun.
but fun to ride, fun to transform. Our CEO starts his career from the toy designer, the Transformers toy. So it's very fun to transforming, foldable, and can change the design, side panels easily. So
Okay, so it's kind of like your iPhone case.
yeah, so
Okay.
you can choose what you want in the design.
Right. So as
Like
we can
iPhone case.
as we can see from the display here, you could have it match your work desk if you really wanted it to.
Yeah.
And then bring it in and park it next to your work desk. But can you plug your iPhone into it and charge?
Yes, you can plug in the charge and charge the iPhone from there.
So it's actually a portable battery as well as being.
Yes, that's right, exactly.
All right. So you can do 30 kilometers in total range. How
Yeah.
long does it take to charge to get 30 kilometers?
3 hours.
So one of the benefits of this kind of technology is that it's almost like a last mile environment. It's for people who don't already have cars, people who don't want a car. Maybe you've bought a condo and it doesn't come with a parking space, so you don't have a car. This is the kind of thing that you might use instead.
Yeah,
How much is this?
we are trying to make around 4,000 US dollars.
Now I notice you've got screens on the side.
Yeah.
Does it come with screens?
This is for demo, but whatever you want, you can put on this as a side panel.
And how fast can it go?
It's about 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers.
So 40 kilometers an hour, which if you live in a big city like I do, you're never getting up to 40 kilometers an hour in traffic.
Yeah, you don't need to. Yeah.
Now, because it's electric, does that mean that I can ride it in the bicycle lanes, or do I need a license for it?
In Japan, you need a license, and in the other country, I don't know the. Yeah, exactly.
So
But
check with your local authorities.
yes.
Where's My Jetpack is not available in all timelines.